Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications on Epic Games. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Epic Games Launcher application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, log into your account using your credentials. You can also visit epicgames.com in your web browser and log into your account. From either one of these methods, once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, click on the account icon at the top right corner and then click on Account. This will now open up your account settings on Epic Games. From the account settings page, click on Email Preferences at the left side, and now you will see the options for various different emails that you can turn on or turn off. Filter through the kinds of emails and uncheck the ones that you don't wish to receive. You can also turn off all of these emails by simply turning off the toggle at the top. Once you do this, all of the emails will be turned off for your Epic Games account. You can come back to this menu as many times as you want and turn on and modify your individual email preferences. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off notifications on Epic Games. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.